Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to install Python. So we're going to go to the Python website. And we're going to go to Downloads and install the latest version. Once it's downloaded, open up the installer, and then I'm going to recommend that you add Python 3.9 to the path. This will ensure that you can find Python whenever you're trying to execute things on the command line. So make sure you click that and then click Install Now. I also recommend that you install it for all users as well. Once setup is complete, just click Close. And to test your installation, you can go to idle, and you should see idle. And I had a previous version, so yours will probably say Python 3.9. Open up that version, and you can do something simple like print hello world, and you can see that Python is now working. Thank you very much.